Alright, abusiame ma obi bi akwaba eba 1911 TV channel no 1911 TV oba na wa subscribe na wa share no di ho dance na dofo atienka. First time I share video ni na unhwe video da makacho say channel we ye ka has focusem na the Ghana football de kakra abeka ho. Into waba yes has focus stories ana obeti makacho say channel we your number one trusted source of has focus stories no aha ana ubetimi enya no nti we play channel na unhwe video da na say first time bomode so behwe video na manasi uhwe manasi wi a na wa subscribe uwi abon sa adoma bi wase o mi adoma ne so e ba se ni time bi e be drop video bi ano osu betimi nya notification no hu nsem a ye de fi asofuk aseye eba information wo wi ase o information wo wi ase papa na nipa so enye na ensem a ya boabo na no pay ye de ba abesumu ene match day. Yes, we are no miensa match FA Cup no etimi abahye de ho sem kakra be gate fee no ene nema ye ko mu match mu nyina no ye be ba ne de ho update kakra etimi e de ma has folk Terminate players be contract players be ana ya Terminate mu contract me de ho sem sasa ne match no players me 70 min sia kan coach a confirm players be and same na coach so ya tudwa fa match no ye de more update every former has folk legend Laryea Kingston so de same bia tudwa na seminar lai eka revelations we na what they ba pontin F4 ne ho yes ye de no nyina ensem ebebe no ho de ekoso nti we eni ensem bebrebe ne ya boaboa no a ye de ebesom na bi tede de bia ye no before say ebeto as no yentwe homra na emfa dwumede no enhia se ne emfa ensem nguo ma na so hu sema efi asofo aso ye ba mema remfi se nyame ya aduma ewia ebeto say de live match no baba na so watimi enya biahwe enti won subscribe ya bomodin so betimi subscribe ni drone ma so watimi enya biahwe enti yentwe ho emra se ne fadwumede no ento aso acho se open internet service an ho odin a entity kwa ejina so 247 ubetimi use unlimited a pacho for ni chim e Jaba link IPTV for aso o makofa star link internet abepimo Ghana ha ne bo no e wo form o de compare to wiase nyina na ono ne bo no e wo form papa Elon Max internet na abana ejina so no satellite internet na entity nkono Jaba link etimi akofa bia bepimo Ghana ne bo no e wo form pantu frame a number se wo screen asna e betima bo na so saka Starlink ni bi internet ni bi so your company or your bank or institution bia wo Ghana bia no na wo pay internet e da ye adwuma internet be ma wo reliable service e be gina so entity nkwa patch of numbers no screen as no yempe Jaba link for Starlink no makofa ba ni bi ma na so etimi use sasa me nka say Jaba link say o ye individual na TV no yes open ball open movies what you say open TV series na unya bi nhwe na say uli sika de koto decoder abehwe me patch omo so omo ba ma Fred Jaba link and I said for numbers no screen as no for TV aba me pacho ubenya over 38,000 channels and ahwe we are seeing na baby abobo bia benya bia hwe what I say sasa baby yi movie bia ubetimi enya hwe bia wo pa hwe bia no ubetimi enya ahwe so La Liga Premier League Ghana Premier League ni na no ubetimi enya bi ahwe ewo so ewo IPTV ne so nti pacho Fred numbers no screen as no na yemra maybe ma 1 year subscription o try ba akopa untue biem copy the following year as what metue biem eno be ma akonya ama ho so ho ahenhan wo na wo so watimi ahwe amoni age nti Fred Jaba link na say frame me number na wo screen as no ne bo no so eda from the here say wo TV no Android and say smart TV na ye wie so legit say sad be go phone so ama na so wo be bia na oni fie mpo a watimi enya bia hwe nti Fred Jaba link and say frame numbers no wo screen as no na ope TV ni bia yentimi emeye bi ma kama sa na ope Starlink internet a yentimi ema obi na say no Jaba link ama ne mema ye for say bia betimi enjoy bi nti Fred na yentimi emra me ma kama abusia yen sha se free player o that screen so ye fe no Atizigi Lawrence Atizigi na o ye Black Stars goalkeeper sanse me ye ka ya mre bi atwa na manfo nim say ye ne mpe player nasem na keeper we e wo ho na de ne beda post mu na o ja Fred Kasare Benjamin Asare wo ho Emmanuel Kobi e wo ho nom Heart of Lions keeper e wo ho Bechem United keeper e wo ho now the Atizigi ekoda post mu a na minim the way so hu Ghana football and I say Ghana place na Ghana no minim ha ekwan afa so bu omo what you say ye ka amanfo nim say ye twa ntro me be ka cho say mbre bi say Atizigi ebo 38 matches e concede 63 goals 38 matches conceded 3 goals. Na man for him say meboa. Na recently, yes, we Joy Sports for ana omaye say we dey better bonti. Na tigi the matches of boy was in Gallen. Switzerland ana na wosi na kan ansa na nyame na duma odine ni chem French Ligue 1 mu yes Ligue 1 mu wawe pim na atizigi was in Gallen no about 202 matches 202 matches so ano consider 300 goals so into one I just one more keep 40 clean sheets nti o check average na I say match bia no o consider 1.48 goals 1.48 goals and o consider e match bia na keeper ultimate that post about 202 matches na consider 300 goals near naba abeda Blasters na wo hwe ni say Blasters bit ma qualify akobo AFCON Blasters bit ma qualify akobo World Cup abla ye what better goalkeepers e Ghana ha omo Ghana Premier League ni ma omo bo mo ho modern ebi keep be 10 clean sheets in be 17 matches ebi keep be 11 clean sheets na say 12 clean sheets in 17 to 18 matches ayebo no na say 19 matches ayebo no na kwabnane I consider 300 goals still your South friends omra emeda Black Stars Ghana number 1 na wo di pakro na wo di sa ne man nim no ana say wo first any pa no wo nipa boni ne wo mambofo obetime kunipa pa sa nipa na o trase e fa fun e fa tizigi so meda post ma Black Stars no na yina no ye wo ha ye wo ha ndi abusia atizigi so the record ekuta no our data Black Stars no 202 matches 300 goals na consider keep 40 clean sheets match bia no I say consider 1.48 goals and I consider e match bia unti we atizigi so far the record we Ghana Black Stars dey nka ho Ghana Black Stars dey nka ho matches are born nka ho we St. Gallen matches are boy no unti we atizigi ho sem kakra no na ento yensem so a abusia obekaya last year 2024 on the 18th April ana yade under 17 no Laryea Kingston say on form kobo wafu tournament no odomo bo mo modern qualify kobo wafu tournament ne kama na during tournament no sem bebre sisi ya obowe ya ana oja team ni to say anya de obetimi akochi team ni biem na nipa no bebre nwanwa yes nipa no bebre nwanwa say modern bo na boys ne bo no now all of a sudden coach ni ko decide say ko beja team ni ko ato wasa tournament no koso no odiabu fu yesen ko beja team na to na kire wajja team ni to ko akopen baby at na sa ko ofin akotan Denmark back Nordland wo ye na djuma kama na ayetwetwe manfo aso yadwene ho ayenti asese behind the scenes dey pa na ekoso na Joy FM for etimi Laryea Kingston interview endra na otimi din sem bebre etuja all the revelations bebre e ba bonten na wo se ubeje di se omo last match on bebo e tournament ni mo na obi from FA akache boys ne say omunim no mulusu match na omu coach ebelusu na djuma oyam crash yenya mo match ni nwie yo na obi from FA wa modin akache boys ne say omulusu match na omu coach ebelusu na djuma yenko ninkuti lai ensem okan e wasasem no emra nemfa de aka so ento aso
beginning of the tournament the kind of threats I had from the people running the FA. You
were threatened.
A meeting.
Yes. What kinds of threats were they issuing to you?
Yeah. So let's say beginning of the tournament. Okay, the management of the FA came to meet the team meeting. Words of encouragement and all that. And then someone opened his mouth and said, "If you don't win the game against Ivory Coast tomorrow, your coach is going to lose his job."
I see.
You understand what I mean? That yeah. You understand where I'm coming from? If you don't win the game against Ivory Coast tomorrow, your coach is going to lose his job. It's a threat. For me, sitting down and listening to what is coming to me, it's a threat. You know? So all those big time, that's when I realized, I don't think the environment is good for me at the moment. I think I need to think about it again. to do something about it. So I'm very disappointed. As I went, trust me, as anytime that thing comes to mind, I shed tears. I shed tears because of what myself and my technical team, which I appreciate them a lot. They are so amazing. Their work ethics is phenomenal. I can't take anything away from them. When we started, I brought the idea to the FA that this is what I want to do. This is how I want to scout my players. And the FA supported it, which I appreciate. I went all over the regions for 1 month, 2 weeks. We went all over the regions. We don't go home. We go region to region, traveling on the van, region to region. And I will tell you, at the end of everything, almost all of us got sick on the way. Got sick. Almost all of us got sick. But we put in the effort to build a team. But it's sad that that team is not there anymore. At least, even if I'm not there, I believe this group of players can be kept, and then FA should take advantage of that group. I don't think they're doing that.
We any se malai edituja say mon wini match against Cote d'Ivoire ye pam coach na osakwa so e kan say me say wa prepare the team na for 2 weeks na tournament na e baso no o ha na da ko nya call from FA for no be baako say one double players minu na one for no na boys minu emeshim aka 2 weeks ma tournament numbers no prepare the team kama no one drop 2 boys no for no nipa no friend no a boys 2 emra meshem and also yanko tie nsema lai e kafa ho emra.
I don't think it's very appropriate for a coach who has been appointed, and the management member will, and the coach is having his selection, and the coach try to build a team, and then he asks a player to stay out of the team for now, drop a player, and then the management member will call the coach and tell the coach who is he to drop his player. He doesn't. Not. I hope you are getting me here.
Yeah. So for you, it's the disrespect and the disregard for your role, exactly. and the interference. If I get you right.
I might say in my time, interference, I stopped everyone for interfering in what I'm doing. I stopped everyone. But for me, one thing we should know, they are the people running the show. So if they appoint you and they are not getting their way, they will find everything to frustrate you. For example, I have a team that I've built for 3-4 months. We have 2 weeks to go into a tournament. And someone have to call in and tell me, hey, coach, can you drop 2 players and replace them with my player? 2 weeks to a tournament, a major tournament. 2 weeks to a major tournament. I don't think that's fair on the coach and that's fair on the players. Because that 2 players, even if you bring Messi, Ronaldo, all the top players in the world to come into that team, that moment, they will be lost. Because the way I train my team, I have principles governing all phases of play. Principles. Every position that you find the ball, on the ball and off the ball, my players should know the principles governing what they can do on the ball, what they can do off the ball. And the new players that are coming 2 weeks before the tournament, I don't think they can gel up. So it became an issue. Two, we have the team in camp already. All of a sudden, they bring a whole group of under 17 to camp, the same camp that we are staying. And then I had a call that then they gave them 2 coaches. Then they told me, go and watch their training and see if some of them can fit into your squad that is going to play the tournament. And for me, I wasn't happy, but I did. Of course, the players that came to camp, they are all Ghanaians. I managed to find like 4 players out of that. But the plan is progression to the next phase of the tournament because it's too close. So all the 4 players, I only put 1 but left the 3 out. But those teams that they brought to camp were in camp. And then anytime we have a tournament, we have a match in the game. These are the players that they bring from camp to come and be ball boys. They were the ball boys for our games, only our games. So imagine that if I'm under 17 player, I'm on the pitch, and then look around and look at and see the ball boy is someone that is playing in the same position. It puts pressure on me. So for me, there are so many things that distracted us, but I was so proud of that squad.
I was away any in some like it may edit to ya abra one joy FM for a share no more drink one and say me brebusa yamra back to House of Folk and sense no enra House of Folk a man match no it me baso na match no kwe na House of Folk it me edin kunim and I say Oak FC it me edin kunim ka baako a JRA girls ladies omontimi NC adabraka na we are say no ababa wa your friend no Ernestina Amwatin ono ana ye woman of the match obon homodin ladies etimidin kunim e ka ba kwa say league table no omo ana da first omo 33 points sasa JRA ladies e 28 points one more match omo 5 points e wo hono ma omo komonu ehwe ni mu this time around no e ma no betima bo homodin no motimi aba be pm e wo man Premier League no yes omo division 1 to mo hwe ni muso betimi nyanda needed qualification no ba abpm e wo ma Premier League ni no so betimi esi kan next season e wo we update kakre fi man side ya de bro na enwure mo House of Folk nyame adoma FA Cup match no against Golden Kick Baso e Lagos University of Ghana Sports Stadium na ene gate fee ni say anete VIP no 100 Ghana cedis aso na VIP no 70 Ghana cedis ana popular stand no ene central line nyina no ebomti no so ye 20 Ghana cedis nti okọ akohwe match ni bi ena awia no miensa me patcho ska we say de show bottom 100 cedis 70 cedis ana 20 cedis bebia pa so kwotena no oda ode ahwe bottom ko tima kutio sika kama na watimi akohwe match yenhwe yen try say bebo modern ni akosupport boys na boys na timi edin kunim FA Cup no de my under team bia what you say my under team bia because bono anodin ohwe kwan a attend the vese e go stars a oda league ni top every mu a otimize na anodin nti yetoto mase ahwe na ade asam afaya nti yenko support your boys ni mom da did morano na omuntimi eninkunim ene awia no miensa na match na timi abaso na FA Cup match e baso no coach Watara the same to ja about players be omuntimi ensi akan ne yenko ni coach ensema coach Watara edi to ja efa match e baso ene no.
The training and the preparation is normal. We are doing because it's a sectional match, but we are preparing well to go and play because it's the FA Cup. Everything is okay, apart from 1, 2, 3 Asbe, Usini, Kakari. We'll get injured. The rest of group are there.
The last time we played a lower tier side, even though we won, we had a very tough challenge. This time around, we are going to play another lower tier side at the Lagos Sports Stadium. How do you see this game?
What do you expect if you are playing against the team? You want them to sit down to look us to come and score them. Everybody is defending himself, huh? No any small match in this world. You see the things who happened yesterday. The Eagle Stars who are leading the Premier League, is out. That's the football. If you underrate the teams that's like that can come. And secondly, I don't understand when you are playing against the team. You want people to score them or do that. We will need to score to carry the victory. That sometimes it's not easy because the teams also are ready to come. We as a football, we are playing against the teams. I don't know who is lower division. No, everybody is equal at that level. When we are playing FA Cup, all the opponents are the same. You must treat them with the respect, respecting the teams who are facing you. Don't direct, take them seriously, and play well. Okay.
You spoke about injuries. SB, Kakari, Hussein. Are they a doubt for the game tomorrow?
No, these 3 players are out. You can play tomorrow. We are treating them slowly. Maybe for the next game, maybe it's come back. But for this game, tomorrow game, these players are not available. We can't get them. We do without them to play that important game tomorrow.
Okay, Coach. To the fans who will be coming to the sports stadium tomorrow, what will be your message to them?
Well, the message is the same every time. Without the fans, the players don't have that blood. We need that energy. We need them to come to support with prayers and everything. Is coming to support. When the boys see them, we know we have the support to push them to from the first minute up to the last minute to get the victory of the match.
Thank you.
Any nsema coach watara de tu dwa osi players bienso mutimi sia kan no Martin Kakari Sasna Hussein ana Kevin Osesibe o me out of the game o mutimi ensia kan bi na emaya under team bia na FA Cup no de hanodin emuodin eti ekomi obefa so be win bia no obefa so betime win that match na kai say has fuk FA Cup this time around no ye lose yen concede goal nti more or less no defenders no ebo mo homodin e wo chiwa ye hwe ni mu se ne enwume so ye benya anase ne awie ye benya the needed win no ye tima progress adimi ade akọ enim e wo FA Cup ni mu tia ye mpese video no e be ye tintin bebre no ene match day no na story me dey twa to ye enra amanfo busame na amanfo ba me comment section ma no mu busame about player fe no ofori ntwi ene Evans Adomako so mo da so ye house folk players na me catch se me ko akwajimu nchemu na maba na me de aba abesomo na enra nkoma me die pe nkoma me kodie no yes information me seka ne say for now no goalkeeper Eric ofori ntwi enyade a oye Hasselhoff play biem Hasselhoff etimi apart ways with Oforentwi a say Oforentwi entimi enye Hasselhoff play biem eno ne update kakra mensa ka penkoma mkodi no meso mede ma na player efe no Evans Adomako so amafo busam ne honsem say recently omu hu no e wo Hasselhoff training biem omu hu na run the team e dey na ekoso and onoso mkodi nkomo ko busa ne honsem de metie ne say Evans Adomako so for now onoso nya Hasselhoff player biem penifo etimi na party ways a say onoso entimi enya Hasselhoff player biem ti we any update am saka ya me de ma yoguso a yedi nsem nechi update bia ba ma ye beba na de beso nti yehia e wo me next video yakro bibia
for 1911 TV. 1911 TV. 1911 TV. Na hakene. What one now here? Subscribe na share. 1911 TV.
For papa eat and the bar. The bench was somebody on 1911 TV.